without setting it with the powder count, without setting it with the powder count, without setting it with the powder contour, without setting it with the powder count. What am I? Without setting. Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So finally we are moving ahead and coming to the second last episode of my Amazon Finds series. In case you guys have missed my previous Amazon Finds videos, I will link it up here, the entire playlist. You can go through it if you have missed it or haven't seen it. Today's video is dedicated to just one product. If you guys want to know more about it, then please keep watching. So the product I'm going to talk about is the Me Now Pro Contour Cream series. It comes in this particular black packaging. This is how the packaging looks. It's jet black and it's matte finish, which I really like. The Me Now logo. Behind there's the shade number given, which is 01. So I'm assuming they have 02, 03 maybe, but I got 01. Now I'll open it and show you guys what all shades it has. So this is how the palette looks. Now as you can see, there are 15 colors in there. There are 4 color correcting shades and the rest are all highlight and contour shades. Now don't get scared looking at this palette, it's quite dirty. I had pre-shot the beautiful newly received package because I knew it's gonna get dirty once I use it a lot. Now I'm not gonna talk about the color correcting shades here because I myself haven't used it, and I'm not going to use it either because I just don't find it necessary for now. But the other shades, yes, I can talk about them. Now 1 or 2 shades are untouched because they just don't suit my skin. But barring 2 shades, I've used every other shade possible just to see how they work. So there are all these light shades, there are shades that have pink undertones, there are shades that have yellow undertones, different undertones, which I really like about this palette. So I am positive that this will work as a contour and highlight for various Indian skin tones from duskier, medium to lighter. So that's a very big plus point. The pigmentation of this is really good. I will swatch it in front of you guys and you guys can see how pigmented it is. For contour, I don't just use the darkest one there. I just use a mix of like a very light brown, a medium brown and the dark one, and then I use it. So that way I'm kind of using up all the shades and not just hitting pan on 1 or 2 shades. So that's like a small tip that I can give you guys. Now I bought this specifically to compare to the ADS Pro Contour Kit. Actually it's a concealer palette, but I always use it as a... I did not see that coming. I'm just gonna place that back. So I did a full-fledged review about this on my channel. I will link it up here in case you guys have missed it. That was my eBay Finds series. And I really like this palette. I've used it a lot, especially the contour shade. The highlight, I don't use it much. Again, the color corrector shades, I never touch. But the contour, it's actually hit pan right now, so you guys can imagine how much I like using it. One of the main issues I had with this was that the dark contour shade had like a bit of red undertones, which just looks really bad for Indian skin tones. And thankfully these shades actually don't have red undertones except one right here, so I don't touch it much. But the others are proper good contour shades, especially for Indian skin tones. If you have yellow undertones, it's gonna work really well. Now the texture of these shades are quite creamy, as the name suggests. It does blend really easily. Even right now the contour I've done using this palette and it just blends really easy, and surprisingly the staying power is also good. Like it doesn't wash away, it actually stays for me, you know, throughout the day. Obviously fades a bit, but it does stay for quite some time. One major reason why I would pick this over the ADS palette is the selection of shades. I love that it comes with so many contour shades, so many highlight shades as well. Whereas in the ADS palette, it's just 2 contour shades and the rest are all highlighting shades. But in their defense, I can say that this is actually advertised as a concealer palette, whereas this is actually advertised as a contour series. Now if you want to see a demo of how I used it, how it fared, you guys can check this video up here. I did a summer beach makeup look, so you guys might have an idea and a demo on how to use this and how it fares on my skin. I even actually used the cream highlight to highlight the bridge of my nose and underneath my contour line. So all of that you guys can see in that video linked above. So am I happy with this purchase? Definitely. You guys can see I'm just saying all good things about it. One more thing I'm pleasantly surprised about is the quality of the packaging. I feel it's much more high quality than the ADS one. This one is a bit flimsy and plasticky, whereas this one is really compact and very strong and sturdy. You can just see the difference, and you guys saw, like, I opened it and the thing fell off. One more thing I like about this is that it does not leave your face greasy and oily. I do wish that this had a mirror, but since it's so affordable, I think we can give that a pass. This claims that it visibly minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, helps smooth skin while increasing firmness. Now honestly, these claims are absolute BS, because whatever they're claiming, it's as if it's supposed to be a concealer, and it's not even advertised as a concealer, nor can you even use it as a concealer, because it doesn't have much coverage naturally, because it's a contour cream series. But I can definitely say they do give a nice chiseled, smooth look to your face. So for any of you who are looking for a budget friendly, affordable contour and highlight palette, I would definitely suggest this one. I would suggest this over the ADS one, just because of the variety of shades available and the quality of packaging. So yeah, do give this a try and let me know on my social media if you guys like it, don't like it, whatever your thoughts are, and let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Button is right there, do click there, and also the bell notification, so that you guys are notified every time I upload a video, which is every Wednesday and Saturday, so twice a week, guys. Stay tuned, and I will see you guys very soon. Till then, stay positive, happy and blessed. Bye.
You are the icing on my cake. You are the smile I can't replace. You are